romantic wreath inspirations. As February's chill lingers against the glass, Alara seeks to transform her sanctuary into a haven of warmth. She begins with a heart of dried lavender and silver blue eucalyptus. The scent is a quiet promise of spring, greeting every guest with the calming essence of a garden in bloom. It is a simple, aromatic gesture that speaks of a love that is both peaceful and enduring. Inside, the velvet knot brings a sense of tactile luxury to the living space. Eschewing traditional florals, this design uses wide, heavy velvet ribbons in a shade of rich burgundy, meticulously folded into the shape of a grand heart. Hanging gracefully over an ornate gold-framed mirror, it reflects the soft glow of the room, symbolizing the softness and strength found in a shared life. For those who find beauty in the raw and natural, the Heart of Twigs provides a rustic touch. Hand-woven birch branches are bent into a delicate heart silhouette, intertwined with a string of warm white fairy lights. Positioned above a stone fireplace, the light dances through the gaps in the wood, casting long, romantic shadows that celebrate the organic, unrefined nature of true connection. The blush feather wreath is an exercise in ethereal elegance. Thousands of soft, pale pink ostrich feathers are layered to create a fluffy, cloud-like circle that seems to float against a minimalist white wall. It represents the lightness and joy that love brings to the everyday, a gentle reminder that even the simplest spaces can be transformed by a touch of whimsy. In the quiet of a study or library, the lover's script wreath finds its home. Crafted from the yellowed pages of vintage poetry books, each sheet is folded into a small, precise heart and pinned to a dark iron hoop. It is a literary tribute to the words we say and those we write, an intellectual embrace for the bibliophile's heart. Elegance takes a crystalline form with the Crystal Charm Wreath. Clear glass beads and faceted crystals are woven through a delicate silver wire frame in a classic heart shape. When it catches the afternoon sun, it scatters a spectrum of light across the room, embodying the clarity and brilliance of a love that has weathered every storm. For a love that continues to grow, the Succulent Heart is a living masterpiece. A heart-shaped moss frame is planted with various species of Echeveria in shades of dusty rose, pale sage, and deep purple. This living wreath requires care and attention, much like a relationship, and serves as a beautiful, breathing symbol of life and renewal. Modern romance finds its voice in the Shadow and Light Wreath. A sleek, black geometric metal frame houses a thin, vibrant red neon heart at its center. This piece is bold and unapologetic, perfect for a contemporary home. It glows with a steady, pulsing light, representing the modern heart, strong, bright, and always visible even in the darkest hours. A living heart serves as a metaphor for a growing relationship. This wreath features a variety of hardy succulents, from pale echeveria to trailing jade, nestled in a bed of emerald green moss. It is a modern, organic statement of endurance and life. Celebrate the memories of shared dinners and quiet evenings by the fire with a wreath made of reclaimed wine corks. Arranged in a sunburst pattern and accented with a single sprig of dried rosewood, it is a sophisticated nod to the toasts made and the vintages shared. For a touch of ethereal elegance, a wreath of pure white ostrich feathers creates a soft, cloud-like texture. Interspersed with tiny, shimmering glass pearls, it captures the light of a winter sun, bringing a sense of lightness and purity to the Valentine's decor. Bibliophiles will find beauty in a heart-shaped wreath constructed from the pages of old novels. The edges of the paper are lightly singed to give an antiqued look, and the heart is bound with a simple piece of rustic twine, telling a story of a love written in the stars. Minimalism meets brilliance in a wreath made of delicate silver wire woven into a geometric heart. Suspended within the frame are raw quartz crystals that catch and refract the light, symbolizing the clarity and strength of a bond that has been forged over time. A heart-shaped wreath crafted from sun-bleached driftwood pieces, accented with soft green living succulents and delicate sprays of white baby's breath for a coastal, romantic feel. A modern, minimalist, heart-shaped wreath formed from intertwined copper wire, woven with a delicate string of warm LED fairy lights that cast a soft, enchanting glow against a dark background. A minimalist, geometric heart wreath made of thin, gold-painted metal rods, featuring a simple, asymmetrical arrangement of 2 real white anemone flowers and a sprig of dark greenery. A vibrant heart-shaped moss wreath decorated with fresh spring blooms such as pink ranunculus and tulips, designed to bring the freshness of a romantic garden indoors. Love begins at the threshold, where the world is invited to slow down. A heart-shaped wreath of silver dollar eucalyptus and blushing spray roses greets every guest with the fresh, clean scent of new beginnings and the promise of a warm welcome. Soft as a secret whispered at dawn, a wreath of pure white feathers and shimmering pearls adorns the inner sanctum. It is a visual lullaby, promising a sanctuary of tenderness and a space where the rest of the world simply fades away. Memories of the sea find their way into the house through a heart of weathered driftwood and frosted sea glass. Elara carefully fits the jagged pieces together, finding beauty in the things the tide left behind. The pale blues and greens of the glass shimmer like the ocean, a reminder of the vast and deep currents that pull 2 people together over time. Even the garden feels the pulse of February. A wreath of intertwined willow branches and hardy winter jasmine clings to the gate, a symbol of resilience and the beauty that grows even in the coldest seasons when nurtured by affection. Sweetness is found in the smallest, most intentional details. Upon the sideboard, a wreath of dark chocolate-colored twigs and metallic gold hearts glimmers, reflecting the light of a celebration meant for 2. Love is a beautiful, complex tapestry we weave together day by day. In the studio, a heart-shaped wreath of soft, rose-colored wool yarn and smooth wooden needles reminds us that every stitch is a choice to stay connected and create something whole. As the sun sets and the stars begin to peer through the clouds, the house glows with a steady, inviting flame. A wreath of deep red peonies and twinkling fairy lights fills the grand window, a beacon of love, warmth, and positivity for all the world to see.